Hello, today we are going to be talking about ptosis or droopy eyes. There are many patients again presenting with ptosis or droopy eyes. The causes could be like they can have this kind of problem from birth, which we call it as a congenital ptosis, or sometimes they can develop this kind of problem in due course of life, or it can be called as an acquired ptosis. So broadly we will keep this discussion very simple, and it's going to be like the effects of ptosis on the eye. What causes this kind of ptosis is that there are muscles that elevate the eyelid. So there are two muscles mainly, and these muscles can become little weaker, or it can be weaker at present itself, at birth itself. So at that point of time, what happens is that one eyelid will be slightly lower than the other eyelid, and that we call it as a ptosis. So what happens is that a ptotic eyelid can obstruct the vision. In the sense, like we have the black part of the eye and there is a pupil, there is a structure called pupil inside, and the light passes through this structure and enters the retina. So this ptotic eyelid can cover this pupil and obstruct the light entering the retina, thereby causing a defective vision. So that is one common cause where the child presents with a defective vision. The second thing is that the child can try to compensate this by elevating the eyebrows, wherein we use the forehead muscle to elevate the eyelid. So that can be like a child can present with a brow lift, and sometimes they can also keep the chin slightly up and keep the visual axis straight. So these are the common presentation in a child presenting with ptosis. In case of adult, possibly they can have double vision also. They can have some kind of difficulty in reading, more in case of straight ahead or looking down. So those are the problems patients can have with ptosis. So how do we treat this kind of ptosis? So what we try to do in a child is that a weak muscle has to be supported with a healthy muscle. So we do with a kind of a silicone rod. There can be some other materials also, but we commonly use silicone rod, and we use the forehead muscles to lift up the eyelid slightly away, and we clear the visual axis. So that's done with a simple surgical correction. In case of adult, if the muscle is slightly stretched out, we can tighten the muscle and correct this. Or in case of adults also, if the muscle is so weak or if it is so detached, we could use the same kind of silicone rod and lift up the eyelid. So that is how we treat a ptosis. Ptosis is a very simple problem. It's just not a cosmetic issue. It can have effects on vision. It can have effects on your day-to-day activity and your appearance as well. So take care of droopy eyelids. Thank you so much.